Well, today I went to the Birmingham Comic Con and I picked up quite a few things. I'll be showing on a few videos coming up, but one thing I did pick up, I normally subscribe to the Doctor Who Amazing Mystery Box, and they were doing Star Trek ones, so I thought I would pick up a Star Trek version. It's not one you can get on subscription. You can buy the Star Trek one individually from their website, but you can't sort of switch your subscription to it. So I thought I'd see what it's like. I must admit, I don't hold out that much hope for Star Trek merchandise because a lot of it is just rubbish, but we shall see. So we'll do as normal. We'll go one at a time. I'll reach in, see what we've got. So the first item is a set of Star Trek chibi figures. Now, strangely, it was my birthday yesterday, and someone actually gave me a set of these, so I've got a spare set, so I can leave one boxed, and the other one I can put out on display. So handy to get a second set. So these are. Well, let's actually open it up, as it's a spare set. So basically, these are little sort of Japanese chibi. I think chibi is like little cute figures, so you get Chibi Godzilla in it. So these are from the original Trek. So you got Kirk, McCoy, quite a nice Khan that looks a bit disgruntled, Gorn, General Chang, Kirk again. So I don't know, that might not be Kirk then. Don't know, I'd need to check. Nurse Chapel, Scotty, Spock, Sulu, Talosian, Uhura, and then strangely sort of Spock and Kirk gold coloured. So that might be actually Chekhov or someone. Probably Chekhov, and that's Kirk. So okay, there we go on the display shelf. So let's see what's next. So this is a Star Trek in my pocket voice keychain. Okay, let's have a look. How does this open? Is it glued? Yep, it's just stuck. So let's open this, see what it does. Will it work? Will it be flat?
I'm Captain James Kirk of the United Starship Enterprise.
Always handy if you want to imitate Shatner.
Fascinating.
That's a good one.
Fascinating. I'm a doctor, not a mechanic.
Good old McCoy.
Two to beam up, Scotty. Live long and prosper. He's dead, Jim.
That's a good one.
He's dead, Jim.
Okay, I like that. I do like these weird keychains, that's good. So, going for the next one. Oh, I don't feel like there's a lot in here. Okay, so this is an Eaglemoss ship. I have no idea. I'm a fairly big Star Trek fan. I have no idea what that's meant to be. Anyone tell me? What ship is that? Let's get them out. All right. Oh, it's the SS Hoser with an X. Let's have a look. It's a fairly nice chunk of metal or plastic or something. It's unusual. I mean, I don't recognise it. I don't know what series it's from. I'll have to look that up. So, it's interesting, but not not one of the better known ships. Ooh, that's pretty much it. Oh, so, oh, that's nice. These are the Eaglemoss comic strip collection. So this is the early voyages with Pike. I'm on a bit of a Pike kick after meeting Anson Mount a couple of weeks back. Dropped it. Gravity was against me. So this is a collection of comic strips from the first, like the Cage. That's good. I like the early stuff, so that's a good one. I haven't got many of them. It says Star Trek stamp sheet. Let's have a look. What is this? Presumably a sheet of Star Trek stamps. Doesn't want to come out, whatever it is. Oh, so Star Trek Generations stamp sheet. And you got Picard, Worf, Riker and Troy, Data and Geordi, the sailing ship USS Enterprise, the Doctor, Worf. So that's quite nice. I do collect stamps, a few stamps. I don't know where does it say? Guyana. Okay, so we've got some few nice bits, a few strange bits. I think the only thing left in here is a t-shirt. So let's see. Destination Star Trek London. Didn't go to that one. I suppose that's okay. That's a weird. I'd much rather had something. Oh, hold on. Destination Europe's largest Star Trek event. Okay, it's a strange t-shirt. I will wear it. Nice hefty one. So that was sort of a mixed bag. It's better than I thought it was going to be, but not as good as the Doctor Who ones sometimes are. So we've got the book, the ship, little figures. The best thing on there is the noise maker.
Stitch.
Yeah. Okay, so I can see why they probably don't do these on a subscription basis, because they must run out of stuff very quickly, and so you would end up getting the same stuff over and over. But so it's an interesting experiment. I think I'll stick to the Doctor Who ones though. Well, thanks for watching. If you want to see more of these unboxings, let me know, and I'll see you again next time.
I'm a doctor, not a mechanic.
Definitely you are.